currently at the mall guys, and we're in Sis Church ay so gala mode na guys. Titignan lang ako sa Ace Hardware na guys na it's an extension that I really need. Madami ang tao ngayon guys. So keep on watching my YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe. Just go go go. Ito yung wire na kukunin ko guys. Ito yung maliit, ito yung maliit, ito yung malaki. So this is one gonna get. Oh gosh, wait. No, why? Okay. So we're here at National Bookstore guys. Yeah, as you can see, kasama ko si sister ko. Naghanap ko ng Archie. Archie's book. Archie's comic book ka. Marami dito yung difference kind of. Wait. Marami dito. Ito lang guys, nakabili na ako ng extension. Kapalita ko ng mga sa inyo. Tapos nandito kami sa National Bookstore. Maghanap na kami ng books and I tried to look if there's an Archie comic book here. It's my sister. My sister was here also guys. Na extension ng binili ko. Ayan, my sister was choosing a notebook na kailangan niya guys. Madaming notebook dito guys na affordable naman. Pasok naman sa budget guys. As what can I say that nandito kami sa National Bookstore guys.
Kasi pinagpipili ako eh.
Yun. Saan maganda guys? Blue pen or the blue one?
Kaso laki na ito. Ganda.
Ganda ngayon.
Ito na lang.
Ikaw mag-choose. Yan, it's better na yan. So my sister was looking for a sketch pad. This one, sketch pad. Then, your choices naman.
Saan?
Ayan, lagay mo kasi.
Magkano? Sketch pad. Ilang piraso ba?